Alright, okay, so today, I'm gonna be making an island game. Yeah, so you gather resources, and then you can build all them up, and then you can attack their island. I built the map already, so right now I'm just working on the walking animation. I'm not the best animator, so we'll see how this goes. Oh yeah, okay. I think I know how this is gonna go. Wait, I think we can just delete this first frame. Just like grab these back, put them there. Oh guys, oh guys, oh guys, oh guys. We might have just made the best walk animation in history. Right here. History might have just been made. Okay, it's not that good. But I'd say it's pretty good. I'd say it's pretty good. That looks weird. I'd say tilt it like that. Why is it moving back? Okay, it goes like that, and then like, oh, that's not good. Okay, we don't want moving forward or backward. Oh, why have I spent 6 minutes on a walk animation, bro? Because we want this game to be the best game it can be. We want this game to be top quality. So for that, we need a top quality walking animation for a top quality game. Put that back. That looks really weird. This is not the walking animation people want to see. Oh, I know. Just put it out a bit. Like that. That looks good. Oh, yup. Oh, yup-a-doo. Oh, that is going to be amazing. Okay, we're looping. We are looping. Okay. Leg stomps down. Leg goes back. Leg goes like that. Actually, we'll put it a bit back. And then what's the first one of this? Okay. So we want that. Maybe the... No, it doesn't look good. Okay, put that. Actually, I want to put it back there. Yeah, that's like almost identical. Okay. Then I just say rotate this one out and like out a bit. It has a bit of a weird... What is that weirdness? Okay, we gotta fix that. Oh, it's the going down. It's the going down. Alright, let's fix that really quick. Yeah, we don't want any weirdness in this top quality walking animation. Okay, I feel like we do need a bit of height variation. Oh, that's above ground. That's probably where we need to put it down. Oh, yup. Okay, I think that's what was missing. Okay, up, down. That's down. That's down. The feet always have to be touching the ground. There we go. There we go. Okay, I think I fixed it, guys. Okay, 28. And then we just loop back. So we copy this, paste the keyframes, and we loop. Come on, loop. There we go. Could use a bit of work, but I'd say it's good. For the first one, has a little bit of sway to it. Go to starter character, animate. Is it run or walk? I think it's run. I'm putting it in run. Let's see if it works in run, guys. Okay. Putting it in. It does not work in run. This does not work in run. I need this walk animation to work. I'm just gonna cut to when it does work. Alright, so it's me on the next day. I got the walk animation working, so it looks pretty good for now. So now what I want to do next is to make this tree like kind of choppable. So we like come here and we chop the tree. So yeah, I think we're gonna do that next. So let's stop the game. And then let me just bring my mic closer. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, we got our block avatar. Put him in here. Now, where do we want him to chop the tree? Where do we want him to chop the tree? I'd say here's a good spot. So put him like this. Put him like that. And then we've got to make an axe. So let's make an axe really quick. Make a nice little handle. Kind of looks like a flag right now, but we can change that. And then we want to add some sharpness to it. Align that. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, that's not perfect. But we got it. Okay. That is a little bit of sharpness. So we're just gonna do that. And then we're gonna put this all across. So now it looks like that. Okay, that did look better in my head. Put it here and like that. That still does not look right. Let me search up a hatchet. Yeah, when you have reference, it becomes a lot easier. So we want this to be a bit like bigger than the handle. We want that to come out. And then this also needs to go like this. That needs to, okay, what is that? Gonna put that like that. Let's do some texturing. So union this. We'll call it, I think blade's a good name. We want metal. And then, actually I'm gonna make it a lighter metal. Like that, like a lighter, that still looks really dark. What if we do white? That still does not look that great. What if we did, yeah, metal's really our only option. I might just take the color off this. Take like a branch. Take that. Put it on there. Okay, that looks good. And then make this a wood. There. Okay, weld them together. And then name this one handle. And then make a tool. Axe. Put the handle in. Axe, workspace, blade, axe. Okay. Now it's good. So we put the axe in this guy. Oh, that's bad. Okay. So do tool grip editor. Okay, yeah, that is very messed up. Alright, we'll rotate up here, and then we'll move it up so that it's just grabbing it. And then we're gonna make the blade a bit smaller. Yeah. Oh. Okay, do that. That a little bit tinier. And then just put it up like that. There we go. So it's not as big. So we put this in the rig now. Oh yeah, that's much better. Alright, so time to make the animation. Basically, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this animation that chops down this tree. Alright.
So just a quick note from me here editing, this video is already getting a little bit long, so I'm just going to speed up the animation making process and then you can watch it getting to work.
Alright, I'd say this is a good animation. Let's put that in there. Delete the other one. I don't know what the other one's doing there. Keys are a little messed up. Oh, because we're in the animation editor. Okay. Keys are messed up. Okay, there we go. So we have our chop animation. We'll move our little like C-frame starter over here. That was just so that we could edit the torso. Alright, I think we can delete this rig. But before we do, I forgot to do one thing. And that is to set the animation priority to action. So it doesn't like do all weird, like, because usually animations, they play halfway when you don't like set it to action. I've seen it happen so much times. I just don't want that for my game. Island attack, tree chop, upload, so it's the same ID, so we don't have to go change it. So axe, we can put it just in workspace. We can delete this guy now. Axe, we can put in server storage. We can put chop in axe. So we gotta make a script. You gotta make a script. Okay. Tree. So we gotta have a proximity prompt, like to cut the tree. Like where you go, you walk up and you press E to like hit the tree. So in order to do that, it has to be like parented to a part. So we gotta add a part near on the tree, so that we can, you know, just so that people can edit it. I mean, not edit it. Like you get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. Okay. Like interact with it. There we go. There we go. That's the word I was looking for. Okay. Interact with it. Okay. So this will be tree interact. Tree interact. Then we'll just do a temporary script for now, just so that like we don't have to do all this other crap like during it, just so we can get the tree fundamentals working. So tree interact, we'll add proximity prompt, action text, chop tree, hold duration, we'll do like 0.25, just a little bit of a hold duration. Max activation distance. So let's just name this chop prompt, and then we'll add a script into the chop prompt. Actually, no, into the tree. Okay. So this is our first coding, actual coding thing, because we did like just a bunch of animations like earlier. And like modeling and stuff, just built the island, did a walk animation, stuff like that. So now we just gotta work on actual coding. Script, okay, we'll name this chop interact for now. I don't know. Actually, we'll name it tree handler. That's a better name for it. That's better for it. Tree handler. Okay, we'll do local prompt. This is just getting the prompt we made. So we'll do script.parent. Actually, that'll be the tree. So this is the script over here, the tree handler, and then the parent is the tree. So it's the thing under it. I mean over it, sorry. So tree, and then we'll do local prompt is equal to tree dot, so we're going into the tree, tree interact chop prompt. So dot tree interact, so that's the part that we created, like this little part inside the tree. Dot chop prompt. Alright, there we go. Tree interact dot chop prompt. Okay, so we'll do prompt dot triggered. It's basically that, like, triggered, just like when you hold down on the E and then you're done it, then it'll fire this. So it'll do the code inside here, whatever this is inside here, it'll do. So we'll do function. It'll get the player that did it. We'll do, yeah, this is really good. This new autofill thing that Roblox has, it's been actually really helpful. Okay, so we want to do character is player.character. So that's just getting, so after you get the player who like did like tap the E, then you're getting their character. So that's like like if you spawn, like you probably know what their character is, but it's this thing, like the model that's walking around. So character, player.character, and then we just got to do if character then. So this checks that the character actually exists. Then we'll do local humanoid root part. So if you don't know what a humanoid root part is, which you guys maybe do, but like for people that don't know, it's basically if you spawn in and you're just like, you're walking around, if you were to play an animation, your humanoid root part is the stationary like torso model. So if there was like a move, like you can see it's in the center of the character. If I set transparency to 0, it's like a stationary part, but you see how the brown part in the middle of the character moves? This gray part does not move. It only like moves with the character's position, but it doesn't actually like rotate or anything. So you can use this to like, this humanoid root part, wherever you set it to, it'll like, the player will follow it. This is a very bad example, but you'll see how it works. You'll see how it works. Okay. So humanoid root part is character dot humanoid root part. Actually, we'll do find first child humanoid root part. Just to like, it'll find if it's actually in the character, and then if there is a humanoid root part, then we should actually do humanoid too, because we have to do an animation. Local humanoid is equal to character colon first child humanoid. So this is like the thing that controls. So like it's like the controller. So if I add a humanoid in really quick, so you can see like the properties and stuff. Basically is like about the character. So it's their name, their health, like display, break joints on death, like if they're jumping, if they're standing, if they're sitting, if their walk direction, their walk speed, their health, stuff like that. That's basically what a humanoid is. So what you can do is you can load animations onto the humanoid. So that's how we're gonna get that chop animation to play when we chop trees. If humanoid root part and humanoid, then okay, then we'll do humanoid root part dot C frame. So if you don't know what a C frame is, it's basically the position of every part, like this. C frame dot new tree dot tree interact dot position. So it'll like tree dot tree interact. That is like the interaction part. So we don't actually want the tree interact. We want the chop C frame position, but we want it C frame. There. So it'll set our C frame to the chop tree dot C frame. And in case you don't know what chop C frame is, it is the like part where we were animating the character. So it'll show up in this exact spot. Then we'll do local axe is equal to game.server storage. So we're getting server storage, and we're getting the axe in server storage. Dot axe clone. So we're making a copy of the axe that we can put in anywhere else. So we'll do axe.parent. So we're basically telling the axe where it goes. Like right now, the axe's parent is server storage, because that's where it's in. But if we want it to go in the character, like how we put it in to animate it, we'll do axe.parent is equal to character. And then after that, we're going to do axe local chop animation is equal, so there's an animation in axe, which is the chop. So what we want to do is, we already got the humanoid, which is this. So just copy, paste humanoid, colon load animation. So what this will do is it'll load it onto the, basically, it gives you an animation, it returns like an animation value, so that you can play it with the play command, and then we want to do axe.chop. So we're getting the animation object, because you know class name, it tells you the object, it's animation. So we'll do chop animation :play, and there it is. And what we want to do before that is humanoid dot walk speed 0, and we want humanoid jump power 0. This way, like, the player can't just disrupt the animation and just move it. Then we'll set it walk speed 16, jump power 50. Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay. So now that we have that, we want to do, how long is the animation? It's 1 second, right? So we want to, like, wait. This is task.wait. It's basically like you put in the number of seconds. So basically it'll play, but before it does anything under it, it'll just wait 1 second, or however long you put in here. Like I could do like 2 million, and it'll just wait 2 million seconds. So you want to wait 1 second because that's how long the animation is. So that's actually good. And then we want to do axe :destroy. So basically this will remove the axe from, like, or not the axe from server storage, just the axe from the character. So if we test this, it should work. It probably won't, because nothing ever works the first try, but we'll see. Oh, look at that. It does work. And if we try to move, like, during it, we can't. So that is actually really amazing. That is so cool, bro. If you guys want a part 2 on this game, definitely continuing it. It's looking really good. But if you guys want to stick around for part 2, it will be up soon. So if you want to not miss it, then you already know what to do. Subscribe, guys. And, oh, this animation is so clean.